friends, my name is Arya. Welcome to my show. Let's make a Dalgona coffee for your parents. 2 spoons of coffee, 2 spoons of water, 2 spoons of sugar, bowl and whisk. First you have to put all then all the sugar. And 2 spoons of water. Let's mix it with the whisk. More and happens a more light color. It's a little bit light color. Milk in the glass and put an ice cube. Coffee inside it. Dalgona coffee is ready. Ice cream with the fruits. Orange juice and lemon. For the lemon, you put salt and a little bit sugar. And first put the orange juice. Now the lemon juice. Mango and watermelon juice. First the mango juice. Now the watermelon juice. Cut the fruits with me and put it in this ice cream maker. It's a mango. Now apple. Now in the mango and the lemonade. Sticks. To go in the freezer. Ice cream lemonade, watermelon, orange, mango and lemon. For watching, hope you liked the show. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.